can check the subscribers of this channel, which has only uploaded a total of 50 videos, but has gained this thousands of subscribers. If you watch the videos on this channel, you'll notice that it is attracting millions of views by uploading text message story videos. In a similar way, there is another channel where you can check the number of subscribers and the total videos uploaded. This channel is also gaining millions of views by posting short text story videos. Similarly, you can check out this third channel as well, which uploads similar types of videos and is getting thousands of views. I've also created a similar type of video, and you can check it out as well. All right, friends, in today's video, I'm going to show you how you can create text message videos and, in the same way, gain millions of views. Believe me, making these types of videos is really easy, and people are earning thousands of dollars by creating them. To create these videos, many people use AI tools, which are usually paid. However, because thousands of people are using AI tools to create and upload these videos, there is a risk of facing YouTube's reuse content policy. That's why today, I'm going to teach you a simple and easy manual method to create these videos. With this method, you can create and upload your videos within 30 minutes. The advantage of this manual method is that there will be no risk of violating YouTube's reuse content policy, and your channel can get monetized much faster. So let's get started with the process of making these videos. The first step in creating this type of video is writing a script. You can generate a script using any AI tool, just like I'm using ChatGPT to create mine. First, take a look at this prompt, which you'll find in the video description. To modify the story, you can customize the prompt by adding your own situation, making the script more engaging. However, for now, I'm using this prompt in ChatGPT, and as you can see, it has generated a highly engaging text message conversation for me. So, I'll simply copy this generated script and save it in MS Word for further use. Now, using this conversation script, we need to generate the AI voiceover. For this, I'll be using 11 Labs. One important thing to note is that we will need 2 voiceover artists, one male voice for the male character and one female voice for the female character. I'm using the male voice Adam for the male character and the female voice Domi for the female character. To generate the voiceovers, you'll need to manually copy each line and create a separate voiceover for each. It will take about 5 minutes to generate each voiceover. Now, to create the text story video, we need to take message-style screenshots. You'll find several free websites online for this, but I'm currently using vsub.io. To start, first, choose a template. For example, if you want an iPhone-style message, WhatsApp message, or Instagram message screenshot, you can select the template accordingly. Right now, I'm using the iPhone template. Next, go to the message section, and you'll see 3 buttons. 1. Clear. This deletes the entire conversation. 2. Add left. This adds a message from the left for receiving messages. 3. Add right. This adds a message from the right for sending messages. The clear button is for deleting any messages you've added, while the add left button is used when you want to add a received message. The add right button is used when you want to add a sent message. For this video script, according to the conversation, the first message is from the female character. I'll copy that line, click the add left button, and paste the message here. The message will now appear on the screen. Similarly, for the male character's message, I'll copy the line, click the add right button, and add the message to the screenshot. After adding all the messages, 5 or more, simply click download to save the screenshot. This way, you can create screenshots for the entire script conversation. And that's how you can make all the message screenshots for the video. As I've already generated the AI voiceover, now we need to import the audio files into CapCut. Once imported, add all the audio files to the CapCut timeline. After adding them, you'll need to split any unnecessary gaps between the audio files. Since manually splitting large gaps can be time-consuming, to speed up the process, click the arrow drop-down menu and select the Split B option. Now, instead of pressing the split key repeatedly on the keyboard, simply click on the specific part of the audio file where you want to split it. Start by selecting the beginning of the segment, then click on the endpoint. This way, each click will split the audio without having to use the keyboard shortcut. Once all the gaps are split, you can simply delete the unnecessary parts. After splitting, make sure to align all the audio files together, ensuring that the total duration doesn't exceed 1 minute. Now, we need to download free stock footage for this video. I usually use websites like Pinterest, Pexels, Pixabay, and Canva. to download engaging and high-quality videos. You can download free stock videos from these sites as well. After downloading, import all the videos and screenshots into CapCut. Next, add each high-quality video one by one to the CapCut timeline. Arrange all the videos according to the audio duration, making sure that they are added until the end of the video. Now, the most important part of this video is here. We need to add the screenshots to the timeline in a proper way. For example, according to the voiceover, the first screenshot should be added to the timeline. Now we need to crop this screenshot. While cropping, make sure to hide the top part of the screenshot, ensuring only the message section is visible. Next, we need to display the messages in sync with the voiceover. As you can see at the start of this video, we will use the mask option for this. First, click on the screenshot, then go to the mask option and select the rectangle option. You'll see the mask option applied in the video preview tab. Now, carefully align the screenshot message with the voiceover, splitting the message according to the voiceover's timing. For example, the first message will be displayed in sync with the voiceover, so I've split that part accordingly. Similarly, for the next voiceover message, repeat this process and split the message at the correct timing. Now, select the first message again, move the mask option over it, and adjust the mask so that only the first message is shown. For the next message, repeat the masking process, and continue to do this for all the messages, ensuring they align with the voiceover. If you're not sure about this process, watch the video again. It's very simple. Now, in this video, we need to use some sound effects according to the messages, so the video feels more engaging. As you can see, I've already downloaded all the sound effects. By the way, I'll pin the link to these sound effects in the first comment, so you can download them from there. After importing the sound effects into CapCut, you can add them to the timeline according to the messages. For example, when the first message is being received, I'll add a message received sound effect. Similarly, when the sender is sending a message, I'll add a message sent sound effect. For any funny moments in the video, I'll add a funny sound effect. You can apply this same process to the entire video, adding the sound effects accordingly. Finally, our video is ready. I'm now rendering and exporting it in full HD quality. You can watch this video and enjoy it, and by following this tutorial, you can practice making similar videos. You can either monetize your channel or even earn by offering freelance services.
Babe, we need to talk.
Oh no, that's never a good text to get. Do I need a lawyer, a snack, a new identity?
Just answer honestly, no jokes.
This is already terrifying.
I found something in your jacket pocket.
Okay, let's not jump to conclusions. Could be gum. Could be a receipt for a romantic surprise I was planning for you. Could be... What did you find?
A tiny piece of paper with a woman's name and number, handwritten.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
So, who is she?
Okay. Before you get mad, just know I can explain.
I'm waiting.
That's my mom's number. She made me write it down because she doesn't trust me to have it saved in my phone. She said, and I quote, "One day your phone will betray you, but paper never will."
I literally spent 5 minutes deciding whether I should throw your PlayStation out the window.
You were gonna go straight for the PlayStation. Not even a conversation first.
Priorities.
I feel deeply unloved.
You'll survive. Now call your mom before she thinks your phone betrayed you.
I'm framing this piece of paper for safety reasons.
Smart man. Ha ha ha.